Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I want to talk to you about cash flow and how important it is when growing a business. So I speak with loads of new Shopify owners who just launched their online business, and their main concern is they don't have enough funds to put into their business. For example, invest in Facebook ads, so obviously their budget is very low. They haven't got a budget to invest in SEO, in backlinks or something like that. This can seriously slow down growth of their business, because obviously once you launch a business, it often is the case that you launch a business as a side hustle because you want to quit your full-time job, but because you haven't got the time to spend on your side hustle, it grows very slowly because obviously you don't even invest in this business. So you end up in this kind of cycle that the new business doesn't grow and you cannot quit your full-time job because obviously you don't earn enough from your side hustle to support your lifestyle, obviously. So you are being stuck in this kind of middle, and you keep running, you keep spending time on growing new business, on working 9 to 5, and then you're surprised that other businesses that launch after you or they're fairly new are growing much faster. And this is because they invest in their business, they invest in paid traffic, they invest in PR, which is public relations, so obviously being placed in the media, in advertisements, in online publications and so on. They spend on influencers, they spend on Google ads, they spend on Facebook ads and so on, and this makes huge difference. And I create this video because I've been inspired by the events that happened in the last few months. I launched my 6th venture, so this is my 6th business. I applied the technique that I talk about to you today because I learned it from other businesses when I was working with them as business consultant. This is the only business that was growing very fast for me. Other businesses that I launched before, other 5 businesses, didn't really grow as much because I was never reinvesting profits, I was never investing in their businesses, I was never buying more stock, I was never buying more tools, I was never investing in improving the business. And with this one, I started investing, I started applying the tips that I learned from others in the last few years. Definitely brought results, because after 2 months from launching, and I already replaced profits from my previous business, which had been running for 5 years, which is pretty remarkable. So I'm really happy. So these things really matter. As an example, I give you a case study of my current customer that I started working with about 2 months ago. He launched in July, so it was 7 months ago, taking into consideration that we're in January 2021 as I'm recording this video. So after 7 months, he's already making $50,000 per month. So this is per month, only because he started investing $5,000 per month in Facebook ads from the beginning. He had to invest from day one into Facebook ads because he believed in this business and he had funds, or obviously he had loans or investments or other investments, but obviously he had to put this $5,000, let's say that he needed money for the first 2 or 3 months before he started generating profits. But he was serious about it. He didn't have a budget of $50 or $100 or $200 per month. He was serious from day one. He starts investing $5,000 in Facebook ads from day one, and he did it consistently. And now, after 7 months, his profits are $50,000 per month and growing. So obviously the return on investment is huge, and it became very quickly. And this is how you grow business, this is how you scale business. So don't be afraid to invest in your business, in SEO, in paid traffic, in PR, because this is what will take your business to the next level. And remember, if you liked the tips received, smash the like button now, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video on your social media. I'll speak with you soon. Bye-bye.
If you love this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Shopify and SEO tips. Now check those 2 videos recommended for you here to watch next to learn about running a successful online business, driving free traffic and sales. I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye.